top of the morning bay with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
Good morning, Bay. आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
Namaskar.
वनकम,
Namaskara.
खुशामदीद,
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल,
Gandhariki Vandanamu.
जय स्वामी नारायण,
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जनेन्द्र,
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं या अली मदद.
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंधुओं को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बंधन, हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे। मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा।
And of course myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और fantastic Friday.
That's right, Brother John. Friday is right here. Malab, you're going to have lots of fun over the weekend for sure, and we hope you do. And Father Rani, I just want to ask you one thing. ये जो आज का Friday है, do you know what day it is? Do you remember the day of today's COVID shelter
COVID-19
in place?
Day number 100. I don't care anymore. Doesn't matter. जब तक आपका और हमारा साथ रहे बंधुजान, बस इतना ही काफी है.
Yes, Banjan, but you know me, I have to tell you all these things, Banjan. There is, today is day number 67, Father Rani.
Oh my God.
67 day number 67 है बंधुजान. And yes, आप सोच रहे होंगे अरे वाह day number 67 हो गया. What is this Altu Baba? Oh my God, no, don't worry about it. Don't stress. I told you, do not stress about all these things, Banjan. We will be getting into a news item, tell you what's happening around the world for sure. And yes, what you got to stress about is whether are we opening up our our shelter in place a little bit too early.
Yeah.
That's something to stress about if you want it. But not, oh my God, it's opening up. Not that way at all. Right, Father Rani? But right up, let me tell you, you want to know what's happening on the roads, and that's exactly what we try to give you guys on our news blog. News blog. Talking about news updates which we give you, Banjam. And part of what we do is this one itself, where we give you information on what's happening on the roads. Now, as you know, shelter in place actually has kept the roads kind of empty, right? But of course, it's kept the roads empty as in essential things are going on, as we know. Now, the thing is, many people actually are, are still trying to go to different places. They're not going to work though. They're trying to do other things. That's what you got to try to avoid, Badajan. Almost there. We're almost there. Another 9 days. Another 9 days we'll open up, Badajan. 10 days actually, to be more precise.
Really? Are you sure we're going to open up, Altu Baba?
Yeah, another 10 days we will open up for sure, because people are getting impatient, Faldo. The point is, people are getting impatient to the level that they're like, literally, oh my God, what kind of organization is this and all the political...
What do you mean, what kind of organization?
Organization by the administration, man.
Yeah.
Because they're saying that now what's going to happen is people are going to share their angst to all the representatives, politicians, and the politicians want to keep their vote bank happy. And to do those things, they'll do all kinds of risks.
No, man, I don't think so.
What?
I don't think.
I can guarantee you, Faldo, that's what's going to happen. And finally, they'll say, oh no, the people wanted to open. That's what happens. Because everybody's scared, man. It's become a partisan thing now. Everybody, Democrats are like, oh, we need to get this and all stuff.
Right.
And then Trump is saying, oh no, this actually Democrats are doing this on purpose. They're keeping all of us, in homes.
Right.
And the business is not able to make money because of this, blah, blah, blah. Right?
True that.
So, it's happening. That's what's happening right now, right? Now, we don't know what's going to happen, but of course, we know one thing. Today is going to be a wonderful day, fantastic day actually, because we have a wonderful lineup for you guys.
Yeah.
Pehla, first and foremost, let's go see what's happening on the roads with Raste Ka Haal Ekdam Total Sustainment.
It's time for the Bandu Traffic Update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
Like I said, Badajan, the traffic looking awesome and everything is awesome.
Everything is awesome. वो गाना है ना?
Well, let me tell you one thing, Badajan. There is something to report because people still are going to all those outskirts places,
Huh.
right? Richmond, they're going to travel all those places and then actually ending up in accidents and all. No,
हाँ,
no, I'm
नहीं.
not saying that. I'm not saying that way. Watch out when you're driving those places. The traffic वहाँ पे ज़्यादा दिख रही है आजकल. यहाँ तक कि the traffic accident of 580 westbound near Richmond Sanderfell Bridge.
Huh.
Probably people are going to those parks to go for those walks. Because as of Friday today, they opened all these things, right?
Oh,
Parks
really?
have been
I
opened
didn't
up.
know that.
Santa Clara County opened up parks as of Friday today. That is 20 midnight. It started off actually.
What?
So probably you can go to those things. And now one more thing is happening is a traffic accident on 680 northbound near the waterfront road in Martinez. Right, is blocking traffic there. And I see congestion already happening. Now, first of all, San Francisco. Talk about San Francisco. Disabled tractor trailer on 101 northbound. Entering at Cesar Chavez over there. Okay. Now, traffic is not affected because only a tractor trailer. That's quite obvious because tractor trailer construction work has been going on. Nothing is stopped, right?
Right.
Road work, construction works have been deemed as essential works. That's what they've been going on. Some kind of traffic, scheduled traffic on Los Gatos, just slowing down people. But don't worry, it'll open up eventually. Baki sa freeways to open hai. Palo Alto, of course, has congestion near that, the bridge, Dumbarton Bridge on that side. So watch out for those things. That's all we have. It's going to be a wonderful weather, actually, Fatwani.
Really?
Yeah, wonderful weather outside. And of course, my only request to you guys right now is to make sure, when you meet somebody, I know you're wearing a mask. Many of them wearing masks, walking around and going to walks and all.
Yeah.
They look at each other. It's like a blank look. What's happening?
Yeah.
So at least give a nod and make them smile.
Yeah,
Yeah.
seriously, dude.
What happened?
Seriously, I've seen so many people, they'll not even make eye contact. What's with that? Why won't you make eye contact?
Hey,
And-
COVID actually cannot transmit through eye contact, by the way.
I know. I mean, you're like, so I understand physical distancing and stuff, but you
do?
it doesn't hurt to say hi, good morning,
Yeah.
right? It
Yeah.
doesn't hurt to smile.
Yeah.
I mean, I know you're wearing a mask, but by the way, you don't need to wear a mask if you're doing a power walk or you're running.
That's true.
Yeah.
So enjoy the song, Manjan, and do your power walks. And we'll be back with the headlines in just a few.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
That's Badajan. Gina, isi ka naam hai. And yes, well, what is a life which not live for somebody else, right?
Right.
That's very important, Badajan. You got to live in service to
Huh.
the other. Now, the best part about the thing, I've been, I've been dabbling into multiple books, right? So many of these books actually there's a converging evidence.
Huh.
Like when we have the wisdom series, right? Dr. Shawny talks about the fact that when he went to different cultures, because he actually merges the Eastern philosophy with the Western psychological sciences, right? There is a converging evidence coming out there, right?
Right.
So based on what articles I'm reading so far, right? It actually comes down to the same thing. You actually focusing on somebody else is like you focusing on yourself.
Huh.
Because that person is yourself itself.
Oh, wow.
Now, don't tell me I sound like the person wearing a crown and beads and everything. No. I might sound like the resident of Kailasa. No, I'm not. The point is, it is true. What is in you is me. What's in me is you.
That is true. Tattvamasi, right?
Oh my God, that is what it says. But the thing is, let me tell you, Vanajan, the point is, as much as possible, bring a smile to somebody's face. If you can't, don't do anything else. Don't try to make them frown. Just because if you can make them smile, otherwise you smile yourself. Automatically they also smile.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
That's what you got to do. But right now, Bhajan, we not know if you're going to, this particular news item is going to make you smile or not. But of course, nevertheless, we have to share with you guys what's happening with the news. So, बढ़ते हैं towards our news blog, mediamahima.com, जहाँ पे we have the headlines for you guys and also details about the news. And if you want to catch up in detail about that, you can always click on the links we provide you in the particular, in the website. You can check out those links and probably go and read up in detail, learn more about those things, right? So abhi ke liye Bhajan, this is the headlines.
Well, let's first welcome some of our bandhus who are joining us on Facebook. Always nice to see you. Blake, Miriam, thank you so much for joining us. Suchitra Chaplial, nice to see you also there. Mel Panchaji, thank you for chiming in every single morning on our Good Morning Bay. And he also says everything is politics.
Yes.
COVID is politics. Everything is politics. And he says, a great song, you made our day. Madhu Awaliaji, thank you. Yes, we are glad that you enjoyed the aarti. And please do keep those comments coming. We really appreciate it. And to everybody else who's listening to us on 1310 AM and also on 92.9 FM in the San Francisco Bay Area, let us tell 92.9 FM is in the San Leandro Hayward areas and on 1310 AM all over the Bay. Thank you for tuning in and bringing us into your lives. The headlines. Drug touted by President Donald Trump as COVID-19 treatment is linked to a greater risk of death, a study finds. The Michigan Attorney General is saying President Trump is no longer welcome here. Pakistan International Airlines passenger flight crashed in Karachi with almost no survivors. They're still going through the wreckage, Manuja. How ending Hong Kong's special status could end a lot of US companies' relationships with companies back in Hong Kong. Chinese ambassador to Israel is found dead in his home, according to the foreign ministry. A White House economic advisor says that it's likely that there will be a fourth phase of the stimulus. Wall Street is dipping on US-China tensions and other economic woes. Coronavirus in India is now being identified as being rampant largely in just 5 states, which have 80% of the cases. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced 1,000 crore rupee relief for Cyclone Amphan, which is ravaged Bengal and West Bengal and Odisha. The news in detail. Hydroxychloroquine, Manujan, this particular treatment that President Donald Trump has been talking about again and again, which is supposed to be an anti-malarial drug, is something that people could possibly, it could increase chances of people dying from COVID-19. Seriously ill COVID-19 patients treated with hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine were more likely to die or develop dangerous heart arrhythmia, according to a large observational study published Friday in the medical journal The Lancet. Researchers looked at data from more than 96,000 COVID-19 patients from 671 hospitals. All were hospitalized from late December to mid-April and had died or been discharged by April 21st. Just below 15,000 were treated with the anti-malarial drugs, hydroxychloroquine or chloroquine, or one of those drugs combined with an antibiotic. Those treatments were linked with a higher risk of dying in the hospital. The study found about 1 in 6 patients treated with chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine alone died in the hospital compared to 1 in 11 patients in the control group. Yeah, about 1 in 5 patients treated with chloroquine and an antibiotic died, and almost 1 in 4 treated with hydroxychloroquine and an antibiotic died. In Michigan, the Attorney General, I don't know if you guys actually saw that. Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessy had sharp criticism after President Donald Trump failed to follow health guidelines, and he said, I'm not wearing a mask when I'm on TV. During his visit to a Ford manufacturing plant, so they're saying we don't want him coming back here anymore. Dozens of people have been killed as a Pakistani airliner crashed in Karachi. At least 38 people have been identified as dead. And this crashed in the southern Pakistani city of Karachi, according to Health Minister Azra Fazal. Pakistan's aviation ministry said the flight from Lahore was carrying 99 passengers and 8 crew members. It is unclear if the fatalities involve victims who were on the plane or who were stuck on the ground. Hong Kong special status. China is moving to vote on this today. They're going to revoke Hong Kong special status, and they're going to annex it to the mainland.
Wait, who's actually having the say in the matter?
It's the Chinese government.
So, what are they voting about? This just passed the rule. Come on.
Yeah.
Hey, that's how all these things work. Like Trump's administration, Russia, and everything. Just got to. I think they got to make a far thing of democracy and everything. There's no. Xi Jinping can decide what he wants to do. Supreme leader.
Exactly. That's what they're saying. In fact, he extended his terms unlimited terms, right? To
He
run
did.
Yeah. So there is a huge conspiracy underway, but then there's a lot of resistance from Hong Kong and a lot of resistance from world leaders about this. And there is a special Reuters exclusive report that we'll share on MediaMahima.com as to how the special status revoking could affect U.S. companies that have stake in in Hong Kong. China's ambassador to Israel, Du Wei, was found dead inside his official residence on Sunday morning, according to Israel's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The 57-year-old's death is not being treated as suspicious, although they have not released the cause of death at this particular point in time. Wall Street, U.S. stock indices dropped Friday, as you know, Sino-US tensions weighed on the markets, struggling to gauge the pace of economic recovery from the coronavirus. President Donald Trump's statement on China's plan for a national security law in Hong Kong on Thursday raised concerns over Washington and Beijing possibly reneging on their Phase 1 trade deal. And also, in terms of coronavirus live updates, from India, we will share this on MediaMahima.com. About 14.13 lakh passengers have booked tickets for travel in the 200 special trains that are going to start running from June 1st. And here, locally too, Bandajan, a lot of the beaches are going to be opening up.
Parks are going to open up.
Parks are going to open up, and maximum number of people have booked air travel.
And if you want to know more about this particular relaxation of the thing of Santa Clara County, relaxation of the restrictions, you can go check out on the news blog, MediaMahima.com. We have a link which actually directs you directly to the COVID response page.
Right, absolutely. And of course, I announced that previously that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced in advance interim assistance of 1,000 crores for cyclone hit West Bengal and 500 crores to the state of Odisha after taking stock of the situation in the wake of cyclone Amphan, which has devastated Bengal apparently, and even parts of Kolkata. If you want to catch up on all these news stories, go to MediaMahima.com. That's all we have time for on this morning's Good Morning Bay. We'll be back tonight live at 5 with the Pam Pam Show. Have a fantastic Friday.
जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का